Hey guys, it's Maymay and I have a big treat for you. So, Brenda now has a little spot in her office where she has her little work surface out, and she had all of her little goodies laid out. And I was like, you know what? You should do Brenda style ATCs for everybody to see. You guys love when Brenda brings you something cool. So, here's what she did. She made these cool little ATCs in Brenda vintage linen and lace style to show you something completely different where ATCs are concerned. So, without further ado, let's watch Brenda make these cool ATCs.
I'm going to make mine with vintage textiles. It's kind of reminiscent of my linen and lace albums to do. First of all, I went through a lot of my different linens and lace, and I brought a box full, and I have different pieces that I have over here laid out. I have a box over here laid out. And I'm going to cover my ATC cards. I have a few here that I've already started. So all I did was take a piece of damaged linen, and this happens to be a cross stitch piece, and I've just absolutely cut it out and glued it on there. And if it's not cut out really straight, all you have to do is just come over here and cut a little bit of it off. I love working with all the different colors. Sometimes the colors don't work in my albums, but I absolutely love them. I covered this one with a piece of quilt. I have a piece of quilt. We're going to do another one of those in a little while. But I'm going to do one, and then I'm just going to kind of sit here and play while I do the rest of them. This quilt, I'm going to do it first, and I have fiddled through here, and I found a little piece of a doily. Now, you don't get it off the side, of course, because they have to fit in your album. So I'm going to trim this up a little bit because I want just a little bit of it to be loose. And I'm going to gather it up, and I'm going to put it up here in the corner. Love glitter glue because it'll hold all of this together. Now, when I have a piece that I have cut, I try to touch each one of the ends so they don't fray. And I will just dab that on really good. Now, I also know that I want a button on here. So I'm going to put a button on top of that. And like I tell you, with hold it for a little while, you have to hold it for a little bit so it'll glue. And then I'm going to spread this out some like that. Hold it for a minute. I'm going to just touch it with a little bit of the glue. Just touch a little bit so it doesn't completely fly away. Just a little fly away, not much. And I'm going to take this little sun hat that I found. It's just a found piece that I don't know where I found it. I collect all kinds of jumbles of stuff. Do you all have a button box? I have a button box and a jumble box, I call it. Just a minute and I'll show you. Here's my one of my jumble boxes. Look at all that. I just love collecting all kinds of stuff. So I always keep that next to me. Now, there's one. Something as simple as that. It's different. And I hope that one of you all get that one. The next one has color on it. So I really think that I'm going to mimic one that I've already made. I love these little daisies. So I think I'm going to do daisies on there. And I'm going to come over here and look in my pile. Now what this is just a sample of a blind. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to cut me a couple of pieces of it, and as you cut it, you see it's, well, that one's too thick. It's going to curl. There we go. I have 2 or 3 here. So I have a little dimension here, and I'm just going to take the glue down my little flower here. Get it glued down. I think I want it to come just a little off center. Not much. I think I'm going to turn it this way. That's what I love about all these different vintage and lace. You can just do it anyway. I hope y'all are having fun doing this. I've had fun watching it. I didn't really know if I was going to do one. I've never done them. And I had quite a few of you viewers have given me, oh gosh, y'all have given me some beautiful ones. And I have them all at home, set aside. My little granddaughter goes through them a lot. And love, she gets ideas. She likes to work with craft stuff. So I just want these to just kind of hang out there. I know you got to have them down some. And in order to keep this down, I'm going to look through my little buttons and I'm going to see what I have that will fit. I think I want this green. And I am going to anchor this piece right here. All right, I'm going to anchor it right here. I love this little color. Just going to anchor it down right there. I'm going to come back over here and try to find me a little piece. There we go. This is perfect. This is perfect. Well, it's not going to hold down there like I want it to right now. Guess I'm going to have to hold it further. There we go. Now I just want a little something right here. So what I'm going to do is glue this right here really quick. Won't take me just a second. Get some glue on it. Bring me another dimension here. That's what it'll do. It'll just bring us some dimension. Another layer, another interest. I mean, I could layer these all day long, as long as I could sit here. I love to do the linen and lace layering. It just soothes me. All right, there we go. And I have a little dab of glue right there that I'm going to cover up with a little bitty button. Well, it didn't glue it down, did it? Okay, it's probably a little hard on there. Okay, I'm going to set this one aside. I have this one already covered up. So it's a lot like the other, but I'm going to do this one with, I think what I'm going to do is take this, put me some glue here. I'm going to make me like a little typo. Here we go again. Let's find us something to put on this. Let's see what we can find. I want something small for here. Oh, look at this. This is kind of cool. This is a blue point. I'm not exactly sure what that is, but I think it's a coin from back in the 30s that you got so many blue ones and red ones, and it amounted to a certain amount of money that you got during the war. Put that there. And let's come over here with just a little piece on this corner. Just one little piece on the corner. That's not what I want. Here we go. Let's just put us a little piece right there on the corner. There we go. These are actually addicting, aren't they? I've done a few. Well, if you all went to Made It Con, I did these for the Make It Go Around, which was fun. Just takes a little bit of glue, a little bit of salt. Any textiles that you have will work. There we go. There's one. Another one. Let's do a quilt one.
So there you go, guys. These are Brenda's ATCs, and I think she did amazing. These are really cool. These would be pieces you would really want to have because this is like antique linen and buttons and all kinds of goodies. Now, if you're making ATCs of any kind, we want to see them. Head to our website called MaymayMadeIt.com, and in our customer gallery, you can share photos of what you're making, and we'd love to see them. Now, again, these, just like all of the ATCs I've been making, are going to be randomly placed into the non-swap envelopes. If you would like to participate in our non-swap, all the information for that is in the description below. And I think that's it. I think these are really cool. And thanks, Brenda, for making these. They're super cute. And I love how well, this is my favorite. Did y'all see this one with the little garter? Oh my goodness, it's my favorite. All right, guys, have a great one. I hope you've enjoyed this ATC series. It's been super fun to do. And I will talk to you again real soon. Bye-bye.